I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peach cobbler with canned peaches and cake mix. This simple recipe requires just a few ingredients. First, grab one large 29-ounce can of sliced peaches, drained. Next, you'll need one standard 15.25-ounce box of yellow cake mix. Don't forget one stick of unsalted butter, which is 8 tablespoons, and a sprinkle of cinnamon and nutmeg for that perfect aroma. Let's get baking. Now let's get this cobbler assembled. Begin by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Take your large can of drained peaches and spread them evenly in a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Then, open your box of yellow cake mix and sprinkle the entire contents directly over the peaches. Finally, slice your cold stick of butter into thin pats and arrange them neatly across the top of the cake mix. This layering is key. It's time to bake our delicious cobbler. Place your baking dish into the preheated oven and let it bake for approximately 45 to 55 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the top is a beautiful golden brown and the peach filling is bubbling around the edges. The cake mix will magically transform into a soft, cake-like topping as it absorbs the peach juices. Once baked, let it cool for about 15 minutes before serving. Your incredible peach cobbler is now ready to enjoy. For the ultimate treat, serve it warm with a generous scoop of creamy vanilla ice cream. A dollop of freshly whipped cream also makes a fantastic addition, adding a light, airy texture. You can even sprinkle a little powdered sugar or extra cinnamon on top for a beautiful finish. This recipe easily serves 8 people, making it perfect for sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.